In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify flowchart connectors in Draw.io for Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select all your connectors at once and style them so your diagrams are clearer, more consistent, and easier to read. First, open your Confluence page and put your flow diagram into editing mode. This launches the embedded Draw.io editor. Take a second to zoom so you can see the whole diagram. It helps you preview changes as you make them. We'll be working directly inside the canvas, so make sure the diagram is unlocked and ready for edits. Next, head to the Editor's menu and choose Edit, then select Edges. In Draw.io language, edges are your connectors, the lines that link one shape to another. This command instantly highlights every connector in the diagram, which is perfect when you want to apply a uniform style across the board. If you only want to leave a few connectors out, you can simply click those to deselect them after running Select Edges, keeping the rest of your connectors selected and ready for styling. With your connectors selected, look to the right-hand format panel. This is where you'll make all your visual adjustments. Start with color. Pick a stroke color that matches your documentation style or brand, and aim for high contrast with your page background so the flow is easy to follow. Next, adjust the thickness. Thicker lines help emphasize primary paths, while slightly thinner lines are useful for secondary or optional flows. A consistent thickness across similar connector types keeps your diagram readable. Now, refine the connector style. You can switch between rounded or curved lines depending on the feel you want. Rounded corners work well for structured, right-angle layouts, softening hard turns without changing the path. Curved lines, on the other hand, give you smooth, organic connections that can reduce visual clutter in complex diagrams. Try each option and see which one best clarifies your flow without crossing or crowding other elements. If you want to highlight direction or add a dynamic touch, turn on flow animation. This adds a subtle motion that guides the viewer's eye along the connector, making direction and sequence more obvious. Use it selectively so it enhances, rather than distracts from, the overall diagram. Take a final look at the diagram zoomed out. Confirm the colors, thickness, and line styles are consistent and that your connectors don't overpower the shapes or labels. That's it. Your connectors are now clean, consistent, and much easier to understand.